What's up, everybody? In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can record your screen. Now, I'm going to be talking about OBS, which stands for Open Broadcasting Software. It can be a little bit intimidating, as you can see right here. There's a lot of options, a lot of stuff going on, but don't worry about it too much. It isn't that hard once you actually set it up. Now, I will say that if you are using Skype or Google Hangouts or Zoom, all of these services allow you to just record through the service. For example, on Skype, you can press record. On Zoom, you can press record. You don't need to use a third-party alternative. However, OBS is very useful because it allows you to record whatever it is on your screen. If you are using a piece of software that doesn't allow you to record, you can just use OBS and record your screen. If you are watching a movie, you can record it using OBS. If you are talking to somebody, you can record it. If you are playing a game, you can record it. OBS is very useful. If you would like to install it, it is completely free and you can acquire it at obsproject.com. When you install it and load it, you will get something that looks like this, except these fields won't be populated. So you can see here, there's this black box. I just put that there so that you don't see the whole confusing hallway of mirrors effect, okay? This is only there because I'm recording the same screen that is showing me a preview of what I'm recording, so therefore it creates a hallway of mirrors. When you use OBS, you can set up a whole bunch of sources. You can attach multiple different cameras to your computer and record from different camera angles, from different webcams, from different microphones. You can record a game console that's plugged into your computer. You can record a different window that's currently running in your computer that's not showing. Like right now, for example, I could be recording my WhatsApp screen even though I'm showing you OBS. There's a lot of different options here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any ideas for other tutorials. I'm happy to show you anything you want, and I will try and do it in 2 minutes. Alright guys, see you next time.